Hello guys, Jasmine on this side. I hope you guys are having an amazing week going on. Today I just want to share a quick testimonial video for the passive domination uh, product. So I am with this product since June, I guess, and it's a good investment that I have made for myself. In this product, I feel it's a good investment because I learned a new skill. Because at the end of the day, if you get to learn a new skill, then you are already winning. Like basically, I get to know more in depth about the affiliate marketing, about the solo ads. Then there's a YouTube ads, Google ads, and then the community is so helpful. Like there are people like Dev Darshan and even Priyanshu. They are there to help you when you ask them anything. So that's amazing. That's a good part about being a part of this community. And moreover, it's a good product. I have literally went through their whole course and even helped. Like I first my mentor first I got my system set up, then I was also learned that skill and I was able to set up someone else's system as well, like how to do it. Like I got to know how to even uh, do the domain stuff, how to buy the ads. This is all new things for me, but every day you learn, right? And it's a very beginner friendly product because in the beginning what you need is the support and the accountability that they are giving to you, like the weekly calls every Wednesday that you are getting, or Tuesday, and then the support from the person who have literally made so much money from the whole ad thing is amazing. And moreover, the community is very helpful. Like I have, there's a couple of people who are there to help you no matter what. And just keep going. It's a very good product. You should have it. There's a reason behind it. The first one is you don't need to show your face on the social media platform. If I would have known this before, I would have literally invested this in this product last year, right? Because I, as a camera shy person and very introvert in nature, I would have 100% invested in this last year if this would have come last year. First thing, right? Because it's beginner friendly, and the person who don't want to show up their face on the social media platform, it's also a good thing for them to learn these skills and also help someone else do it and also make money out of it, right? And the second thing is, you don't have to have a social media account to promote this product, and that's a good part about it. And they literally teach you how you need to promote. Everything is done for you, from funnels to campaigns. And now I think they have 60 emails as well, and all the stuff. And support is there. If you're stuck, you don't know what to do next, they're there to help you, right? The coaching part about this community is amazing. And then uh, third part about a passive domination product is, like the name suggests, passive domination, right? Like you make money by through passively. Like I literally made the commission one time when I was on my job, other time when I was sleeping, right? So it's a progress. Like you learn every day, and it's a good done for your system that you are getting in this. And good support. Take care, join this program. I would really love to see you inside our community and see you crushing as well, just like other people are doing. Like they have made a lot of money out of it, and I'm pretty sure that you're gonna make it as well. Take care and good luck, and let's crush it together, and let's see you inside the community. Take care, guys.